Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Alfas arikady, and today in this video I am showing that how to make dance with your images. And you can make your images in a dancing way within few clicks. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to our video. And at first you want to download a application, and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And after that you can see features of today, and there are more dancing styles in this application, and there are most populars and get creatives and more options are available. And this app is not completely free, and you can also go premium by paying the subscriptions cash. And after that you want to select one of the dance which you want to play as your image, and I'm selecting one of the dance. And after that they will ask to open your camera or in your gallery, and here you can select your camera or your gallery also. And here I am selecting the photos, and you can choose which you want. And after that you can see the images are loading like a, if there is more images in your device it becomes slow. And here I am selecting one of the image which I want to dance. And after selecting that, here you can see a generating option like a circle, and just wait till the loading process. And after that here you want to click the go button, and here I am selecting the go button. And after that you can see a loading brewing magic, and just wait till the loading finishes. And here just want to wait few more minutes or few more seconds, and our video is almost done, and just want to wait some more few seconds. And our buffering has been finished, and here you can see my selected image has been dancing, and or I am is dancing in the video screen. And you can also make dance by the steps, and you can change your steps by using this application. And if you want to download or save these videos in your phone, you want to select the save button, or if you want to share it to your friends, you can click the share button. And I think you will enjoy our video, and you can also edit on our Instagram option also available by this application. And I think you will have enjoyed our video, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.